it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook ground beef with okra, and these are the ingredients you need. I got a package of frozen okra, quarter pound of ground beef, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, cornstarch, salt, pepper, turmeric, sesame oil, light soy, and oil. Okay, we are going to marinate the ground beef right now. 2 tablespoons of light soy, half teaspoon of cornstarch, half teaspoon of sesame oil, and mix it. Okay, everything is mixed. Marinate for 15 minutes. While we are waiting for the beef to marinate, we can prepare the other ingredients. I'm going to slice the onion. Okay. Rinse with water. Okay, my pan is hot. I'm cooking in medium heat. I'm adding in about a tablespoon of oil. Cooking the ground beef first. Now I'm going to turn it over because the color changed. Cook it to brown. The beef is cooked. I'm going to put it aside. I'm using the grease. I'm putting in the onion, putting in the garlic, and then putting in the okra. It's a frozen okra, so now I'm going to cover it. And 3 minutes has gone by, and this is what it looks like. I'm adding in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then mix it. Adding back the beef, and everything is mixed, and it should be done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.